Machine ye Homowo. I'm in Bukom, I'm at the Bukom Square in Gamashi, and you know there's a super duper cooking competition taking place. It's the Gold Onga cooking train. The train has made a stop here, and there are 5 clans participating in the competition. The clans are Asre, Otublohum, Bese, Akumanje, and Sempe. So yours truly has been invited to the Gold Onga Homowo cooking train. It's the Onga Fota, and it's brought to you by Onga, Mama Self in Hand, Ilele.
So the reactions are
Yes, people are really loving it. So what do you think? It's the same reaction everywhere. It's official. The food revolution is here. Cooks and households everywhere are scrambling for Onga shrimp cubes.
Are you there?
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Can you cook? Do you have a passion for creating magic in the kitchen? This is a chance of a lifetime. Onga presents Ghana Cooks, your chance to show off all those cooking skills and stand the chance of winning 10,000 Ghana cedis, a 3-month internship at a 5-star hotel, plus 5,000 Ghana cedis worth of cooking appliances. To enter, just post your favorite recipe plus a photo of the finished dish with any Onga products by the side. Include 2 pictures of yourself, 1 passport size, and the full length. Add a short description of yourself and email them to ghanacooks@gmail.com. Ghana Cooks, where your keche in the kitchen can make you Ghana's greatest cook. Ghana Cooks is brought to you by
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Se come también, si no vacilón, se come también, que para gozar. Hiriribom, 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 hiriribom.
It's the Gold Onga Homowo cooking train on the Onga Fota. You know this is a cooking contest and we're taking it very seriously. So we have 3 August judges. Right in the middle is Manye, Yopeyo, Dadetu. The said she is the Queen Mother of Dodowa. And next to her is Mrs. Linda Nate. She's marketing executive for Master Ghana. And next also to the Queen Mother, Teko Nyamite. That's right. So, Manye, you know, what are your expectations? What are you looking out for?
Process and I make a whole year. Bename fair cooking surroundings say I'm a cheese hygiene very care. Beni come Benam Bassa, Jamaica Benam me table near fair attractive. You call Nano Nako and then Yelishi Benina near Bango my taste or Banyani or Nakashini or Podani.
That's right. That's right.
Apart from hygiene, we're also looking at presentation, and we're also looking at the fact that they are working with time. They are working with time 2 hours, so they should be able to prepare all the food in time as well. And then we ask them to prepare for 20 people. So at the end of the day, we should be able to see that 20 people are being served, and each plate is filled to the satisfaction of the individual. And then we're also looking at the nutritive items that they are using.
Very important.
The food should be nutritious,
Yeah.
so they should
You
have
want
their
a balanced
fish,
meal.
they should have their carbohydrates, they should have their vegetables, to make sure that we have a balanced meal at the end of the day.
Tasting is believing.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay. Hello. Oh, sorry. Amelia, I went your way.
Okay, when you Homowo je menesandi. Aboy Homowo ye line je menen je wo you know nen. Ke won ya se obagbasani baba o no ni ba ni Homowo ba. Ene hewo ke afishe me ni wo ke je ke ba. Ni na ka me je mo fe mo ba se. Ke be se wo ke ka me. Ake wonwa homo yi eja homo eje wo ba mi me ni nya ba sese ame to ame se lo ne ke gbe me ne ke fi wo ke ka ake si homo wese wo wa homo yi.
So it's the gold Onga Homowo cooking train. We'll find out shortly which clan comes out winner. Onga Foto Bashi by Onga, Mama's helping hand. Lele!
Mommy, can I help? Can I have your help? What is this?
It's Onga.
What does it do?
It's the key to delicious food. Onga gives any dish such a great taste and unique flavor that every meal is a special treat.
Can I help?
Always when the food is ready.
Onga, Mama's helping hand. And now, introducing the 50-gram sachet, which gives you more.
Can you cook? Do you have a passion for creating magic in the kitchen? This is a chance of a lifetime. Onga presents Ghana Cooks, your chance to show off all those cooking skills and stand the chance of winning 10,000 Ghana cedis, a 3-month internship at a 5-star hotel, plus 5,000 Ghana cedis worth of cooking appliances. To enter, just post your favorite recipe plus a photo of the finished dish with any Onga products by the side. Include 2 pictures of yourself, 1 passport size, and the full length. Add a short description of yourself and email them to ghanacooks@gmail.com. Ghana Cooks, where your keche in the kitchen can make you Ghana's greatest cook. Ghana Cooks is brought to you by
Onga, Mama's Helping Hand.
Welcome to the Onga Tip of the Week. Do well to fill up on colorful fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and nutrient dense, which means they are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Focus on eating the recommended daily minimum of 5 servings of fruits and vegetables, and it will naturally fill you up and help you cut back on unhealthy foods. A serving is a half a cup of raw fruits or vegetables, or a small apple or banana, for example. Most of us need to double the amount we currently eat.
You're welcome back. It's the Gold Onga Homowo cooking train on the Onga foot tour. I told you earlier, 5 clans competing in the cooking contest here, in Bukom at the Bukom Square. I'm with the Sempe clan. Now you're like Auntie Adokale. No, tell you your thing. Mini ye wo Sempe, mini ye wo, nye leni homo. Nakai. Abai. Mini ye wo ngmene. Bekle. Akliji, Kapapansa, Kanonga, Keka, hey. No, can you cry your bawini? Oh, yeah, sure. No, many a one, near gentlemen, you choose near Nine, your buffet quickly, your buffet Akliji, many one, your gentlemen, you choose. I'll judge you, Sunny, honey. Quickly. Ballot. Oh, okay. No, Akliji, mini I can feel. Abele mamu.
I see Abele and Agbelo. That I was saying the one.
That's right, Lotomo mini.
Oda.
Hey.
Man.
Chile, Safro, Fenyami, correct. Keka, Kenga. Yo, beans, okay. That's right. Obachi. Bango, bango, Aish. Meneleng imba. Beka papansan. Okay. Akliji no ji apapransan. Nye chole. Oh, okay. Akliji, okay. No, mini onga nye use onga be ni aka waya sort. No, you saw. Cuban. 3 mix, I got 3 in 1. Garlic. Yeah, correct. Ole. 3 mix. That's right. So the Onga variants that are predominant, in their meals here in Sempe, in the Sempe clan, are the 3 mix and then the shrimp tablets. Yeah, bomb Indian check. Next clan, Apanganje. Swelle, Kakwele, Minity Lele. No, Kakwele. You mean one you bear, Lele, Toma Lele, no, me in the wall.
Waho, in Katia won, Kajiti,
Okay, so in this competition, all the 5 clans are cooking quickly. I mean, that's non-negotiable. And then they volunteered and then picked several other dishes. And so this clan is preparing Okontek and Katia one or your OGG, you're fine. If that's someone, no need if black, me and her, yeah. Mommy, OGG, I mean, you're correct, neat. And can your menu card? Why you want me? Dessert, rock bands, and pie. And Gigi.
Mina song Onga shrimp.
Onga
shrimp. This is just so creative. See what they've done. Correct. Lele. And then lele song. Mama's open hand today. All right. So you're welcome back, and this is the basic clan. No, now Okale, alo anti Okale can now only di yo me and your fair ayiko me can you bomb modern wa your cooking competition there. Aleno nyeke Onga ni fe nye wonwe lo. Onga so no, I mean I can apart from people ke me wonwe ne ya gari photo ho. Okay. Near I say
and a ballot. It's a little friend who quick play. She can you salad? Can you dessert? Gary dessert. Alright, so you know they're all supposed to prepare quickly, and that's the festival dish, you know, during the celebration of Homowo. And then they also say they have Gary near dessert. Alright, so this is the Otublohum clan, and I'm with Otobia, now Tobia. No, I mean no who how?
Yeah, no who. No one get Shafi. No fear. No one you more. Ofe woni ni ba kan kan ofe no we do not need
okay stew niebe stew ene okay ina stew here ojogba she be make Onga ni fe
o fa ne Onga no ke stew mo lo e no fe no Onga na lepo
that's right
no fe no e kan mi ga bo gan family chantas le ke ngopi Onga
that's right Onga
kana lepo makagele smaller to monoko. Hey.
All right, okay. So that's Otublohum, and you know, apart from the kpekle and the palm soup, we're also preparing, you know, boiled rice and some stew, some gravy. I'm going to the last. Come on, And the last of the 5 clans taking part in the cooking contest is the Asre Chono clan. That's right. So I'm with Dede Kokoike Senye Komle. That's right. Me hanya yuko no more danger. Me kwanye kwepleni. Frankly, e banchi ne kra omo. Apart from kweple mini ne ho.
Aboboy.
Oh, mini kakaklo bambara bi said yes. Correct. Everything is ready. Oh, near fast on time. Can you win? Alright, so that's it. Gold Onga Homowo cooking train here in Bukong. And you know, it's Homowo, and so we're celebrating with the people of the Gan traditional area. So if you're the photo brought to you by Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Thank you very much.
So the reactions are
Yes, people are really loving it. So what do you think? It's the same reaction everywhere. It's official. The food revolution is here. Cooks and households everywhere are scrambling for Onga shrimp cubes.
Are you there?
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Can you cook? Do you have a passion for creating magic in the kitchen? This is a chance of a lifetime. Onga presents Ghana Cooks, your chance to show off all those cooking skills and stand the chance of winning 10,000 Ghana cedis, a 3-month internship at a 5-star hotel, plus 5,000 Ghana cedis worth of cooking appliances. To enter, just post your favorite recipe plus a photo of the finished dish with any Onga products by the side. Include 2 pictures of yourself, 1 passport size, and the full length. Add a short description of yourself and email them to ghanacooks@gmail.com. Ghana Cooks, where your keche in the kitchen can make you Ghana's greatest cook. Ghana Cooks is brought to you by
Onga, Mama's Helping Hand.
Hello and welcome to the Onga recipe of the week. This week we are going international with our recipe being Portuguese codfish casserole. This meal was inspired by the World Cup, and since Kobe is popular in Ghana, you can replace the salted cod with Kobe. The ingredients are 2 pounds salted codfish or Kobe, 5 large potatoes peeled and sliced, 3 large sliced onions, 3 or 4 cups of olive oil, 2 cloves minced garlic, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, 1 or 2 teaspoons crushed red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, 3 tablespoons tomato sauce, 4 hard-boiled eggs, 8 green olives. 1. Soak salted cod or Kobe in cold water for a few hours. Drain water. Repeat depending on your preference with salt. Heat a pot of water until boiling and cook cod or Kobe for 5 minutes. Drain and cool. Flake fish into smaller pieces. Remove bones and set aside. 2. Preheat oven. 3. In a casserole dish, lay half the potato slices, all of the cod or Kobe, and all of the onions. Top with remaining potato slices. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, garlic, parsley, pepper flakes, paprika, and tomato sauce. Pour evenly over casserole. 4. Bake in a preheated oven for 45 minutes or until potatoes are tender. 5. Garnish with eggs, olives, and parsley. Keep posting your various recipes onto our Onga Ghana Facebook page or the Onga recipe site foodgh.com.
It's the gold Onga Homowo cooking train on the Onga Fota. So, Manye, first impressions. You've been here a while. What have you seen, with the clans who are cooking, and what are your impressions?
I made dress with Onga apron, I'm a t-shirt, I'm a preparation. Towards the cooking, I'm so impressed. Bena me arrange bena me fail. If it to my own portrait of traditional
exactly.
food, or some of them patronized or traditional food.
First of all, they are cooking their traditional dish. That is the pepli, which is the traditional dish for this occasion. And they all have done well with the way they even started with the ingredients, how they blended it with all the items that comes from their traditional food.
Wow.
And number 2, the way they are even going about their cooking, they are well organized. You could see that they come from each individual homes to make sure that everything is well presented for us to come and see. So it's quite
fantastic.
One in a fine in a camp because Jehan no less I can't pay no coconut Jehan waka kind. Then I pay no man, one animal while quickly home waka say. Kawaka live when I one in a bit of my drop of Quimke. Oh, see here, no fear and a pay falle.
So it's the gold Onga Homowo cooking train. We'll find out shortly which clan comes out winner. Onga Fota Bashi by Onga, Mama's Helping Hand. Lele.
channel where all her Oya Femo. I get you go, Holy and no for Oya days and a baby. No can no fear, no Jomahi, no fear. Can only channel Hundi. Open out, but no bar, to Polo. He come over a yoke near Poker, Penny near Banagas, near Levamo, or Pedro may fake a fit. There be no hold your time, but no Bassa Moha, when they say attractive to come over Baleba, Eva, near Pale, Banabas and a poet, a quenofiano fine. Then I can not afford it. Then you get Onga with my she can be a fair walk a fair, or your fair. She can't feel up as another money a first or two sessions. Your fair, but when you're fair, you're all right, you try to man, you pay your dodo.
Homowo cooking train. I mean, it's a festival you shouldn't miss. Next year we're going to be here. Agboona Crown 1. That's it for the Onga photo. Gold Onga Homowo cooking train brought to you by Onga. Mama's helping hands.